Hello and welcome. You are now at the website of Microsoft Office 365, and you're likely to use some of the existing applications such as Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. Now, in recent years, Microsoft has added tools, taken tools away, and moved tools around for individuals depending on the way they want to interact with digital content and the internet. And these options aren't necessarily all that obvious. Even within business class, there are at least two different kinds of plans. Now in this course, we will look at the business class version of Office 365, which depending on how you like to run your operation, you'll have different tools that will help you to be more productive. And this is important because two things that Microsoft has focused on in redesigning Office is teamwork as well as mobile productivity. And if all you use are the traditional tools of Microsoft Office, you can miss out on some benefits while not necessarily making a sacrifice in terms of price. So in this course, we will look at how you can use the tools together and how you can use them to be more productive. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the first video.